Okay, hi everyone. So, as a lot of you must have seen on your internet as well, that Baroda is basically underwater right now. There is a flood situation over here. And today, as the rains have stopped a little bit, but the flood situation still continues, as you can see. So, we at My Little Heart, we're here we've decided that we're going to distribute.
I am Krishna Patel, and in the midst of these crises, My Little Heart, powered by NPS Health, stepped in. We knew we had to act quickly and decisively. Our team, along with a dedicated group of volunteers, worked tirelessly around the clock, day and night, to bring relief to those in need. We provided food for more than 5,000 people. Masala khichdi, theplas, puri bhaji, and other basic necessities including drinking water. We also distributed milk packets, medicines, and other essential supplies, trying our best to reach every corner where help was needed. (2024) This year, Vadodara, Gujarat faced one of the worst monsoons in its history. The city was submerged with countless families losing their homes and many suffering unimaginable losses. For days, people were trapped in their homes, cut off from electricity, phone networks, food, water, and essential medicines. These were the darkest days of Gujarat that has ever known. But it wasn't just about delivering supplies. We went to areas that were more than 5 feet, even 6 feet underwater. Our volunteers helped people. We rescued people. Our brave volunteers, saved lives, pulling people from the floodwaters and from homes where they were stranded. We were on the ground, in the thick of it, for 2 to 3 days straight, facing the same dangers as those we were helping. It was one of the most overwhelming and humbling experiences of our lives to be there, to see the strength of our community, and to do whatever we could to help.
અત્યારે વડોદરામાં જે પૂરની પરિસ્થિતિ સર્જાઈ રહી છે તેમાં અમારે આશારૂપ માય લિટલ હાર્ટવાળાનું જે કેમ્પેઇન ચલાવી છે અત્યારે તેને ઘણું આશીર્વાદ સમાન આવી રહ્યું છે કેમ કે ગઈકાલે રાતના 2 વાગ્યાથી પાણી વધી રહ્યું હતું અને ઘરોમાં પાણી આવી ગયા છે, પરંતુ અત્યાર સુધી ફક્ત માય લિટલ હાર્ટવાળા જે છે તે દરેક સ્વયંસેવકો છે જે લોકો આવીને અત્યારે અમને ફૂડ પેકેટ આપેલા છે કે જ્યાંથી અત્યારે અમને ફક્ત પહેલાં એવું કહેવાય કે જે લોકોએ સહાયરૂપ તરીકે આવી છે.
With this, I would also want to say that there are many people out here who still need help in so many other ways. If you are looking to make any sort of donation anywhere, or if you're looking forward to give back to the society, please consider us, because we are here in the thick of it, on the ground, trying to help people. You could go to our website, it's called mylpshealth.com, and send your help. Thank you.